A US news organization called The Intercept has released what it tends to be a diplomatic ciphertext sent from Pakistan's former ambassador to the US to Islamabad. This is the same cipher that was previously cited by former Prime Minister Imran Khan as evidence of a US conspiracy to oust his government. The text detailed a meeting between US State Department officials, including Donald Luke and Pakistani and boy at the time Assad Majid Khan. The authenticity of the cable's content couldn't be independently verified by dawn when Pakistan's Foreign Office declined to comment on elect leagues. The US State Department stated that the cable's contents didn't indicate the US endorsing a specific Pakistani leader.
Yes, it's a report purported to be a Pakistani document. I can't speak to whether it is an actual Pakistani document or not. Just simply don't know. With respect to the comments that were reported, I'm not going to speak to private diplomatic exchanges, other than to say that even if those comments were accurate as reported, they in no way show the United States taking a position on who the leader of Pakistan ought to be. We expressed concern privately to the government of Pakistan, as we expressed concern publicly about the visit of then Prime Minister Khan to Moscow on the very day of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. We made that concern quite clear. But as the former Pakistani ambassador to the United States himself has stated, the allegations that the United States has interfered in internal decisions about the leadership of Pakistan are false. As we've stated, they're false. They've always been false, and they remain false.